Hi, I'm Alex, and this is another story. Another problematic thing from eBay. This is Dual C814 open well cassette deck. It's rather old. I guess it's the beginning of 80s. So the story behind it is it was bought as a fully functional, but before shipping, the seller just wanted to check it, and it doesn't play. Seller wrote to me and refunded me, like he was asking if I want this for parts or not working, and we agreed on a price, on rather low price, I think, £24. He refunded me the rest amount. So I thought, well, how dead can it be? So let's find out. This is the first power up. This is really the first power up, I should say. So yeah, what should go wrong? It powers up. Light bulbs are there. Auto tape, metal, ferrum, chrome, ferrum. So let's try and pressing play. Nothing happens. Rewind. This button is stuck. Stop, pause, record. So let's have our sacrificial compact cassette. Yep. Something is happening. Nope. This button is still stuck. Stop. Nope. So this is officially dead. Let's see it from the inside. Well, I should say that by the mere look of these bolts, of these screws, nobody has tampered this deck, or at least not much, I hope. Well, let's really see what's about it. Well, I must confess, the insides look decent. Bells are disintegrated. This is normal for a thing this old, but look at this. Everything is discrete. According to schematics, it has only one integrated circuit. It's this one, Dolby B. Otherwise, it is pure transistor cassette deck. So yeah, looks like a start of another repair project. Hold your heads. And here I'm showing you how really complicated this thing is. This is a piece of European engineering from the late 70s, early 80s, and as you can see from here, no connectors whatsoever. Everything is soldered or attached by winding on the metal poles. This is the proper way of attaching wires, but it's very hard to dismount all the things. Well, here you can see this cage. This is the tape mechanism. I have already cleaned the tape mechanism here, because belts are perished. They turned into dark goo, which can be only washed out by soaking in acetone for a couple of days. And yeah, I'm dubbing over my initial voice because you will hear a lot of ah and other stuff. Here you can see all the cogs and wheels, and nice flywheel, a nice heavy flywheel you can see here, and lots of belts. This thing has 3, I suppose, belts into it. And yeah, this is pure mechanical. This is pure mechanical stuff. You cannot. It is operated by these knobs here, these buttons from the below, and then the mechanism, the special cogwheel mechanism, will just continue your movement and put, let's say, a head onto a tape and start a motor, and so on. Yeah, it is rather complicated to deal with. You can disassemble all the stuff. Here you cannot see how it is to be disassembled, but it is only partially disassembled here. Well, this is a classical piece of over-engineering of 80s. Look at this ballet. Yeah, this little door. When you press power button, the system of levers lowers this plastic. This seems to work now. If I put a finger instead of cassette, instead of the real cassette, well, it starts to work like. And yeah, I have tried playing a cassette. It plays decently, but I suppose one of the wires from the head loses its connection and the sound is getting distorted. This is fast forward. Well, it's a little bit too fast forward. Stop. Rewind. Well, you see it's not functioning properly. As I said, what could go wrong with it, yeah? So, well, it's a ton of work to do on this mechanism to work properly. So, you see that light gray things, like this is a program switch or something like this one. This one just goes up and down with the button, but this one, the problematic one, goes down but doesn't want to go up. As you see, it's very slow and going up, and this is the problem of this mechanics. It should act like this. It should act momentarily. So this is it, guys. This is the problem.
2 hours later.
Well, the solution was to deliver some isopropyl alcohol there on a tip of a screwdriver, and you see now it is returning as quickly as it should. Well, this is it. So I have this like a reminder what is where. So the third one is play button. It's playing something, yeah? Wow. Play button. Stop. Fast forward. Stop. Rewind. Stop. Play. Pause. Amber light goes on. Green light, play. Amber, pause. Pressing pause again. Amber light goes off and continues to play. Well, let's try to call it okay one more time.
Several months later.
Okay, let's once more admire this pretty amazing piece of equipment. Let's put a really good cassette there. It's a Sony, it's a ceramic cassette, Sony Metal Master. Here it is, it looks beautiful. Let's hear the clicking, the pure mechanical mechanism that clicks like a, I don't know what, like a rifle or maybe a pistol. Let's hear. Wow. Forward. Play. That's it. Unfortunately, I cannot play you any decent music because of the copyright, but let's just see how it turns, how it sounds, how it looks. This whole tape recorder from late 70s, early 80s. The needle UV meter with a light bulb, with two light bulbs actually there, not LEDs, but the light bulbs, the real light bulbs here, guys. It's pure, it's insane. Now let's put on the correct type of a tape. Let's put metal, because this is a metal tape. This is nearly the best metal tape that has been produced, has ever been produced. This is Sony Metal Master. That's it. That's it, guys. This beautiful piece of machinery came half alive. Now it is up and running in its best shape. So this, when I will try to remove a cassette, it will automatically stop. So hear this. Yep. I don't have to press stop. Just when I lightly touch these pads here, it will auto stop whole tape mechanism for me to remove the cassette. That's it, guys. Take care and till the next time. Goodbye.